Hey guys, it's me, Emily Martin, and in this video, I'm going to be doing my squishy collection. And I've tried to take this video tons and tons of times, but I've always messed up in it, so sorry if I go really quick in this video. I don't want it to be long. I don't have that many squishies. I mean, this whole container filled with that. It's not that much, but when I get more squishies, I'll probably do an update. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. And by the way, guys, before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to JC and Kira. And yeah. Okay, so the first squishy I'm going to be showing you guys is my air cabs. And I'm not going to be explaining how these squishies smell, I guess you could say. Because only if this squishy smells really good. So these are my air cabs. And guys, I'm actually kind of disappointed in this when I got this. Because my friend from JC and Kira, they had the same squishy. And I remember being more so rising, but I don't know. And it is so soft on the back. And I love it. And it smells good. Then I have my chicken drumstick. So rising. Smells like a regular squishy. Yeah. Then I have my homemade rainbow cake squishy. Sorry guys, it's really annoying. Squishy's rising, but anyways, that's what it looks like. It's double layered. I don't know, double sided. That's it. Then I have my homemade s'more. Pretty slow rising. Then I have a coffee cup. That smells really good. Then I have, sorry if you guys hear any background noises, that is my guinea pig, Joey. Oh, and then I have my, wait, it's upside down. Oh my gosh. Joey, stop! I have my Fat Time, ice cream, and this squishy did not come in this package, I just found it. I just randomly put it in there. Joey, stop! He won't. He sometimes listens to me, or sometimes not. Joey. Good boy. Okay. Then I have my amazing peach. Oh my gosh, guys. This smells like raspberries and blueberries. Oh my gosh. I love this smell. Oh my gosh. It smells so amazing. It's so soft. And look how slow rising is. Very airy. I love it. Then I have a slice of cake. I have a homemade banana, and it's oh, on the side's pretty good, and then on the other side, ugh. Then I have just this is my first homemade squishy. It's like a watermelon slice. Then I have a mini macaron. I have a bread loaf that you can actually hold your phone in these little socket thingies. That's what I got when I saw it online. Then I have this little package that says, because I want to see your face with a smile. And this is me trying to make the replica of the Punimaru, I think, stack of pancakes. I don't know, but pretty good. Then I have French fries, very airy. I have my Cutie Creative Golden Mango. There goes it. And it smells amazing. It's really slow rising and dense, which I like it like that. Then I have a grape squishy. That's a failed one, homemade one. Then I have a Shopkins melon bun. I have a little tart thingy. I have my awesome cabbage. And doesn't smell. Then I have my cinnamon roll. Then I have this cat. I forgot what it's called, guys. It's a replica of some squishy that's famous. I think it's by Punimaru. I don't know. I'm dumb, or I bloom, or something like that. But it's actually those little things like that too. Yeah. Then I have a sushi that came in a grab bag, and this is a really bad squishy. But then I have a homemade glittery donut that I love. This squishy, it's really slow rising on the back. Doesn't look like it, but for rising squishy, for homemade squishy, it is pretty slow rising. Then I have a lemon Then I have a soccer ball. I have a cupcake that I just got at my gymnastics meet recently, actually. That's pretty surprising. I have a cake roll. By the way, guys, not a lot of my squishies are licensed by like famous squishy makers, I guess. But here is my double-sided donut, and then there's like 3D sprinkles on this side, and then that on the other side swirls. Then I have a dang it, guys, I forgot what these types of squishies are called. It's like something like food, but I got it at Buc-ee's, and you can get it like anywhere. I forgot, but it's a cupcake. Then I have a popsicle. I have a roll. I have a failed pomegranate homemade squishy. I have a pineapple. Then I have a replica of Minnie the Whale. She's so cute. I love her. Then
hamburger bun. And I have a crushed waffle ball. I have my croissant, which I love. I actually took this to school one day. Then I have my bread, I guess you could say. Sorry guys, everything's okay here. And then now I'm going to be, actually I have a few more, but I have this hamburger bun that actually has real seeds in it, and I love it. I have this orange. I have this Twinkie that I made. I have this carrot. And yeah, I think that's all my bigger squishies. Now I'm going to be going into my little squishies that I have. I'm going to be doing this really quick, so this video is not going to be that long for you guys, so you don't have to, like, you know, watch a long video. Okay, ready? So, here I have a steam bun. I have a really slow rising homemade watermelon squishy. Really slow rising. I have a taiyaki fish. I have a s'more. Face toast. A poop emoji. Or poop emoji, why I said poop? A poop squishy. A really slow rising panda bun. A marshmallow. A waffle. I have a dog paw. A bread loaf. A slice of rainbow slice of cake that I made that actually went with this cake, and it so looks like yummy. I made it out of a makeup sponge. I have ice cream that has sprinkles on it. Another macaroon. A melon bun. Crackers or a s'more. A smusher. A sushi that's really sticky, I love it. A cookie. Another panda bun that I did squishy dares on. Its face came off. A macaroon. A cupcake. A mushroom that's really sticky, and I love it. It's so rising. A pizza that's not even like a squishy technically, it's like really hard. And I have another macaroon. I have another sushi, I mean. I have an ornament squishy. I have a hamburger. An alien heart that's so sticky and so rising. A donut. A grilled cheese sandwich. And a mini bread loaf roll. A half of a macaroon that I've broken half. And then I have my
and last but not least, I have my two mochis. I have a bear with stitches, and I have a bird, I think, or chick. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't mind me looking so ugly. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.